Good morning. I need to buy some fresh fruits. Or you can say, I'm looking to buy some fresh fruits. Could you please show me what you have available today? Or, could you please show me what you have in stock today?
Good morning. Of course, we have a wide variety of fresh fruits today. What specific fruits are you looking for?
Well, I'm looking to buy some berries.
Absolutely. Our berries are known for their natural sweetness and vibrant flavors. We have strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Each variety has its own distinct taste. Would you like to sample any of them?
That sounds delightful. Yes, please. I'd like to try some strawberries. How much do they cost? Or, how much are they?
Sure, the strawberries are priced at $4 per pound. How many pounds would you like? How much would you like? Or you may be asked, how much do you want?
I'll take 2 pounds of strawberries, please.
Here are 2 pounds of fresh strawberries. Is there anything else you would like to buy, ma'am?
Yes, I'm also interested in buying some melons. Are they ripe and juicy?
Of course, our melons are perfectly ripe and juicy. We have watermelons, cantaloupes, and honeydews. They are all incredibly refreshing and sourced from local farms. Which one would you prefer?
I'd go with a watermelon. How much does it cost?
Our watermelons are priced at $2.30 per pound. What size would you like?
I'll take that large-sized, medium-sized, or small-sized watermelon, please.
Great choice. Here's a medium-sized watermelon for you. Let me weigh it out. Alright, there you go. That's 5.8 pounds. Is there anything else you need?
No, thanks. That'll be all for now. Or you can say, no, thanks. That's all. How much do I owe you? How much do I need to pay? Or you can ask the shopkeeper, what's the total?
For the 2 pounds of strawberries and 5.8 pounds of watermelon, your total comes to $19.35.
Here you go. Keep the change. Or you can say, the rest is for you.
Thank you very much. Here's your receipt. Please let me know if there's anything else I can help you with.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. Have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. Have a fantastic day too.